In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams Dictation. If you want to type messages in Microsoft Teams without using your keyboard the whole time, Dictation can make things much faster and easier. This is especially helpful when you want to reply quickly, capture a longer thought, or reduce typing during a busy workday. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to turn your spoken words into text directly inside a Teams chat. To begin, open Microsoft Teams and go to Chat. This is the area where you can view your conversations and send direct messages. Make sure you're in the chat where you want your dictated message to appear before moving on. Taking a moment to confirm the correct conversation now can help you avoid sending text to the wrong person or group. Once you're in the right chat, click into the message box. This is important because Dictation will send text to whatever text field is currently active on your screen. When the message box is selected, Teams is ready to receive the words that will be converted into text. If nothing appears later, the most common reason is that the message box wasn't active, so this step matters more than it might seem. Next, press the Windows key and the H key on your keyboard at the same time. This keyboard shortcut opens the Windows voice typing or dictation tool. You may see a small dictation bar appear on your screen, indicating that your computer is ready to listen. If this is your first time using it, Windows may ask for permission to use your microphone. If that happens, allow microphone access so the feature can work properly. After that, start speaking clearly and at a natural pace. As you talk, your words should begin appearing in the Teams message box automatically. Try to speak in a quiet environment for better accuracy and pronounce words clearly if you want the best results. You can also pause briefly between thoughts to help the dictation tool keep up with what you're saying. Once your message appears, take a quick second to review it before sending. Dictation is usually very convenient, but it can occasionally mishear a word, especially with background noise or uncommon terms. A quick check can help you catch any small mistakes before your message goes out, and that's how to use Microsoft Teams Dictation. It's a simple shortcut, but it can save time and make chatting in Teams much more convenient, especially when you'd rather speak than type.